Hey folks, head lice are wingless insects that spend their entire life on the human scalp. Did you know that lice do not hop, jump, or fly? The only way they can get from one person to another is by touching, either by direct head-to-head contact or indirect, for example, by sharing a hat that has lice in it. Let's look at lice up close. Comment below, have you ever had head lice? It's okay to admit it.
And what we're seeing with lice in the United States is that it's not really responding to those over-the-counter chemical treatments anymore. So experts recommend one of these kind of really intense combs, a lot of hard work and attention to detail.
1 in 1,000 of you will click subscribe. Be that 1/10 of 1%. Also, click like now.
I would like to tell you about Rest More, an all-natural sleep aid designed to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. If you're looking for a great natural way to get better quality sleep, please visit buyrestmore.com. Thanks for watching. There's an Amazon link below.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night. Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.